So you think the Max 3 is an intimidating vehicle? Meet our new monster. The SVI MAX SWAT, the APC that can take the heat. This vehicle is meticulously crafted from 5 to 6 mm armor steel plate, resisting AK-47, R1 and R5 assault rifles. At the nose, you will find an integrated scraper, deployable and retractable to clear a path in front of the vehicle during a riot. The massive wheels of this 4x4 powertrain, able to cover any terrain. The large doors giving easy access and egress for all 12 occupants, anti-riot screens in front of the glass. This vehicle though is fitted with some very special options. A retractable mast with camera system giving visuals over 1 kilometer. If we move around the back, you will find the massive spare wheel. We fitted a winch to make fitting the spare wheel real easy. On this corner you will find another option, our APU, which is our auxiliary power unit, able to power all the auxiliary systems including the aircon while stationary, but what you really want to see is the belly of the beast. Jaco, the Max SWAT is a very impressive vehicle. Tell me a bit about the interior design and layout.
The interior of the vehicle has been optimized to allow easy communication between the front and rear. We also optimized visibility so all personnel can easily look outside the vehicle. In addition, it's also got hard-wearing surfaces and very comfortable seats. The vehicle is based on a standard driveline. It's a Isuzu FTS 750 4x4. Diff locks in the center, diff locks in the rear, and we've also added the Allison automatic gearbox. This vehicle can be configured to a variety of roles, including military, internal security, police, and for our private security customers.
For more information, visit svi.co.za.